Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Hustle World, and welcome to the Monday Grind. Listen up, you all. I hope you all enjoyed the holiday weekend. Some of you all had a very long weekend. Me, I wasn't that fortunate, but I am grateful to have a job to be able to go to be able to make money to pay the bills. So I am A-OK with that. With that being said, we got a super awesome watch face for you all to check out. This one is coming from X9 Studio. The guy gets super creative with watch faces. He does great work, and he is in the building today. So let's take a look at this watch face. First of all, the name of the watch face is called X921SC. This is definitely a super casual dress down watch face. It's an everyday wear, whether it be for the work week and whether it be for a casual weekend. This design is on point. I do like the look. I like the fact that it's something new, something fresh, and of course, something different. Now in the AOD mode, you're going to get the same look, the same color, the same design. Now the background is going to be blackened out a lot more, which looks super awesome in the AOD mode. But once the watch face is on, it's going to light up a little bit so far as the black background is concerned. The hint of this red really brings out the background and the watch face in general so far as the information is concerned. I thought that was nice. Also, here's your information. First of all, you get digital time with animated seconds, very legible, and you're also going to get the day of the week down up under that. If you come up to the top, you're going to be able to make a phone call, go into your text messages. You can also set a favorite. Two of them. Those two dots, you can set favorite, set your application to make this watch face just that much more convenient, which I thought was super cool. And you get your month and you get your battery percentage. So it cycles through the two to give you the information that you're looking for in one place. This is going to be your animated seconds. This is going to let you know whether it's AM or PM. Over here, of course, you can see it's your heart rate information. And this meter represents your step goal completed. Now, if you tap on that, you will be able to go in, check your calories burned, your step information, floors climb, water intake, sleep, things of that nature. And you can also tap on the heart rate if you really need to check out the status of that. It'll take you into this as well, which is awesome for those of you all who are into exercising. And yeah, I like it. This is your date. Now, once you tap on the date, you will be able to go into the calendar, set an event. So again, I like the look of the design. I thought my man X9 Studio got down once again. I think it's worthy of a download. But again, remember people, at the end of the day, it is all about you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Grind hard.